Welcome, friends. Welcome back to the kitchen. This week and over the next few weeks, I understand that there'll be a lot of people making gravy and sauces that they need to thicken. And I think the best way to thicken a gravy is with something called beurre Meunier. And I've alluded to it a couple of times in videos along the way over the last month or so. And it's just a mixture of equal parts butter and flour. Now, I've got a lot of flour here. I've got about 1.5 tablespoons or 2 tablespoons of butter. And so you want to add the same amount by volume of flour, and I'll start with that much. The butter's been softened a little bit. And don't tell Alex, French guy, but I will stick the butter in the microwave to soften it, smooth it out, just to make it easier for this mixture to happen. And when you do a direct translation of beurre Meunier, it just means kneaded butter. And essentially what you're doing is you're making a dough. You're coating the flour particles in the butter, and then when you put it into your sauce, the butter melts and releases the flour particles, and it doesn't clump. And it gives your sauce this really nice, silky smooth texture. It is the best way to make lump-free gravy. Although I do like Lumpy Gravy, the album by Frank Zappa is probably not my favorite Zappa album. That would probably be Hot Rats. But I digress. So I'm assuming that you have gone ahead and got your sauce ready to go. So maybe you've got a pot going like I have, or you've got your roasting pan on here with the drippings from your roast, either a turkey or a roast beef or pork or whatever, and you're ready to go. So you just bring this together till it's kind of stiff. And I think I've got just about enough flour in here. This is something totally you could do ahead of time. You could do this 3, 4, 5 days, a week ahead of time. Roll it up like a little log in some saran wrap and stick it in the fridge. And then when it comes time to make the sauce, you can just cut off little rounds and put them in. You don't want to put this in too quickly. You just want to do a little bit at a time, and you want to whisk it in really quickly because you don't want to over thicken your sauce. There is a point for me where it becomes too thick. Okay, so the sauce is boiling, and I don't have a whole lot here because I've just got a very little bird to do. And I just take a small walnut-sized piece, pop it in, and whisk. And once it's whisked in, just add in another piece and do the same. Just keep whisking and keep the heat on. And that's all there is to it. You get silky, smooth, perfect, lump-free gravy every time. It's one of those culinary secrets that I don't know why more people haven't caught on or don't use it. Because to me, it's just wonderful. So let's get this into the gravy boat and out to the table. And that's it. Just a short tip today. I hope it takes some of the stress out of your holiday cooking. Thanks for stopping by. See you again soon.